Students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today in this video we are going to learn standard 7 social science and video number 3 of chapter number 5, that is India, agriculture, industry and transportation. In the earlier videos we have already completed that India is a country and generally 70% of people, those who are living in India, they are depend on agriculture. So we can say that India is an agricultural country. Then we have completed agriculture in India like normal or unirrigated agriculture, then the crops which are included into it, then we have completed dry farming, and then we have completed irrigation farming, then even plantation and irrigation. So agriculture portion is complete. So in this video we are going to learn about the industries. Now what is industries? सो इंडस्ट्री मतलब एक ऐसी बड़ी जगह जहाँ पे कोई भी जो गुड्स होता है उसका प्रोडक्शन होता है. ओके, प्रोडक्शन. So in India we can see different types of industries. So which are they? So let's take a look on that. So industries are classified into 3 types on the basis of investment, number of employees and quantity of production. So it's very important. We can classify the industries into 3 types. Which 3 means on 3 basis. Which 3 basis? So investment मतलब कितने मनी हमने इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, कितने मनी से हमने जो इंडस्ट्री है वो स्टार्ट की है. So that is investment. Then number of employees मतलब how many people or men are working in our industries. कितने पीपल और लोग हैं वो हमारे एम्प्लॉय है, मतलब कितने वर्क करते हैं. एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, और कितने क्वांटिटी में मतलब कितने नंबर में हम लोग प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. ऑन द बेस ऑफ दैट वी कैन डिवाइड द इंडस्ट्रीज. विच 3 टाइप्स ऑफ लाइक ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, number of employees and even quantity of production. So first one, let's see, that is cottage industry. So when people make things at home in which the investment is very low, like increase, stick, papad, furniture, pickle, etc. is called cottage industry. See what is the definition? People make the things at the home, जिसको हम गृह उद्योग बोलते हैं. तो कहाँ पे चीज़ें बनाते हैं? घर पे ही बनाते हैं. The investment is very low. See, if we are talking about the big industries, so what happened, the investment is in crore rupees, but here what happened, the investment is very low. So what they are making, so stick you can see here. Okay, then papad, furniture, pickle मतलब जो हम लोग अथाणु खाते हैं वो. Okay, pickle, it is called cottage industry. You can see here in the photos जो flower pots है, फिर जो दिया हम लोग घर पे यूज़ करते हैं, then stick के यूज़ से जो फर्नीचर, छोटे छोटे फर्नीचर बनाते हैं, दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री. देन सेकेंड वन, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री. सो द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री कंसिस्ट for a factory, some machinery, some workers, and in which investment is more than cottage industries. Suppose in cottage industry the investment is like 20,000. Okay, तो स्मॉल में होगा नियर बाई 80, मीन्स स्मॉल से ज़्यादा होगा कहाँ पे, तो सॉरी कॉटेज से ज़्यादा होगा कहाँ पे, तो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री में. सी, it is like a small factory. Some machineries, not too much or heavy machinery, some machinery we get here in small scale industry. Some workers, not too much, few workers are there, and investment is more than cottage industry. मतलब जो हम लोग लोकल गृह उद्योग से ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, that is called small scale industry. In small scale industries, toys, TV, refrigerator, plastic items, etc. are made. You have to remember the production of each and every industry. Okay, or which products are produced in all the industries. So here you have toys, then TV, refrigerator, plastic items are made in a small scale industry. Then we have heavy industry. So heavy industries are those industries in which big factories, big machinery and large number of workers work. See, it's very important, big factory. See, here we have small factory in small scale industry. So in heavy industry we have big factory, big machinery. Machineries are also big. Here we have some machinery, but here we have the big machinery and large number of workers work. Okay, it is called heavy industry. So it's required heavy investment. आप लोग कोई भी बड़े बड़े प्लांट्स ले लो तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, हैवी इन्वेस्टमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड हैवी इंडस्ट्री. राइट. इट इंक्लूड्स आयरन एंड स्टील, मोटर कार, सीमेंट एक्सेट्रा. कोई मोटर कार हो, सीमेंट हो, आयरन की हो, स्टील की हो, वो सारी फैक्ट्रीज में हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज आर वर्किंग बिकॉज द वर्कर्स आर इन अ large number. Even the big machineries are there, big factories there, so it is called heavy industry. You can see here in the map, black color means plus sign indicate iron steel industry, so you can see here Bokaro and Durgapur. Okay, then after we have cement industry, so we have like triangle shape, so here we have in Jamnagar in Karnataka, right? You can see here in Tamil Nadu here. Okay, so we have like cement industry. Then paper industry, so you can see paper here, so in generally in Kolkata and all that thing. Then you have petrochemicals, so you have here Chennai, then Kochi, then Mumbai, then here in Gujarat Vadodara. Okay, like that. Then here chemical fertilizer, so you can see here in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, means you can get the like these examples from here that we have all the types of industries in India. Which are they? So cottage are also there, small scale industries are also there, and even heavy industries are also there. So on the basis of what you have to remember, on the basis of investment, then number of employee, we can see number of employees and even production. So on the base of that we can divide the industries into small scale, heavy scale and even cottage industries. Then we have cotton clothes industry. So what is required to make cloth? Cotton clothes. So definitely the answer is cotton is required, means cotton plants are required. So the cotton textile industry has developed in India in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. So it's very important, you know very well that in Surat we can say you have lots of textile mills. So basically cotton textile industry has developed in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. You have to remember the examples of cotton industries, like cotton industry has developed in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. Surat is known as very famous for the textile, as well as you know very well diamond. Okay, we can say diamond hub and even textile hub we can get in Surat. Then we have woolen industry, so you know very well, especially in the winter season. Okay, we required the sweater, jackets, all the things, so wool is required. So these industries was started as a cottage industry and now it has developed in an important big industry. पहले कॉटन इंडस्ट्री से स्टार्ट हुई थी, मतलब गृह उद्योग से स्टार्ट हुई थी, बट प्रेजेंट इट इज़ लाइक इन द पार्ट ऑफ द बिग इंडस्ट्री. इट हैज़ डेवलप्ड इन पंजाब, मेन सेंटर दैट इज़ लुधियाना. सो मैनी टाइम्स आई थिंक यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड कि जहाँ पे सेल होता है वहाँ पे लिखा होता है मटेरियल फ्रॉम लुधियाना, लाइक दैट. देन महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, स्पेशली जामनगर, अहमदाबाद एंड हरियाणा. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, वूलन इंडस्ट्री started as cotton industry, but now it is a part of big industry and it has developed in Punjab, especially in Ludhiana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, especially in Jamnagar, Ahmedabad and Haryana. So you have to remember Punjab means Ludhiana of Punjab, Maharashtra, Jamnagar and Ahmedabad of Gujarat and Haryana. Then sugar industry. So which crop is required to prepare sugar? So you know very well that sugar cane is required to prepare sugar. इवन जैगरी भी हम लोग शुगर कैन में से बनाते हैं. सो शुगर कैन जूस इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक शुगर. यू नो वेरी वेल, शेरडी का रस जिसको हम बोलते हैं, इट इज़ यूज टू it's required to create or make the sugar and jaggery. Sugar industry is mainly developed in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. उत्तर प्रदेश में वर्ल्ड की सबसे ज़्यादा शुगर कैन जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होती है एंड इवन इंडिया की भी फर्स्ट सबसे ज़्यादा शुगर कैन कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होती है तो उत्तर प्रदेश. सो शुगर इंडस्ट्री इज़ मेनली डेवलप्ड इन उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटक एंड तमिलनाडु. Then cement industry. So where is cement used? So you know very well that in construction work generally the cement is used to construct anything. We required cement. So in recent year the cement industry has rapidly developed in India. You know very well what is the reason. Reason is development. Because of development what happened, it is required to make the buildings and all the things. So cement used very much. The state like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. are known for cement industries. Which states are useful, or we can say which states produce cement? So Gujarat, Which factories means we can say cement factories or industries lies in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Okay, so they are known for cement industries. Which states you have to remember? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Right. Then paper industry. So paper is used daily by everyone. You know very well that every day we are using the paper. In India, the paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. So you have to remember that paper mills are situated where? Okay, so in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and even in Gujarat. Paper used in newspaper is made in Nepanagar and Madhya Pradesh. Both questions are very important. The paper which is used in newspaper means day to day we are reading the newspaper. So these paper, okay, which is used in newspaper, it is made in Nepanagar and Madhya Pradesh. And currency note, मतलब जो मनी की नोट हम लोग यूज करते हैं, that paper is made in होशंगाबाद and देवास. Both questions are most important. The paper which is used in newspaper, that is made in Nepanagar and Madhya Pradesh, and currency note paper is made in Hoshangabad and Devas. Then iron steel industry. So from small nails to huge machinery and their spare parts, everything is made by the iron and steel industries. You know very well that small nails मतलब जो छोटी सी खीली होती है उससे लेके जो huge machinery है, जो spare parts and everything which is made with the help of the iron and steel. So steel and iron industries are most important industries. The iron and steel industries in India are located in Bhilai, that is in Madhya Pradesh, Bokaro in Bihar, then Bhadravati in Karnataka, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, etc. Jamshedji Tata is well known as the father of iron and steel industry. Most important question, that who is known as the father of the iron and steel industry in India? So the answer is Jamshedji Tata. And iron and steel industries are located in Bhilai, which is a part of Madhya Pradesh, Bokaro, Bihar, Bhadravati, Karnataka and Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. And Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Most important question. Father of nation, you know very well, Mahatma Gandhi, but father of iron and steel industry, so Jamshedji Tata. Then comes jute industry. So jute cloth, gunny bags, jute bags, etc. are made from the jute fiber. In second video, we have already discussed about jute. Right. Nowadays the demand of gunny bags and jute bags have reduced. You know very well. पहले के ज़माने में जो सैक होता था उसके अंदर क्या होते थे, जो भी grains है वो आते थे. But right now we have the plastic bags. So the use is like reduced. In its place, bags are made from artificial fibers are in demand. जो भी artificial fibers है, plastics है या तो और material से जो बनी हुई bag है which is in demand. Then very important petrochemicals industry. So mineral oil is extracted from the interior of the earth. Interior of the earth मतलब under the surface. Okay, surface of the earth से हमें क्या मिलता है? Mineral oil. Okay, in chapter number 2 we have already discussed. So there are many components in the mineral oils. Means when we get the mineral oil, it is in नॉट इन प्योर फॉर्म में नहीं होता है. देन आफ्टर व्हाट हैपन, उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस करके उसको क्लीन किया जाता है. सो डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स मतलब द थिंग्स ओके आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इट्स प्यूरिफिकेशन टू गेट केरोसिन, डीजल, पेट्रोल, टार, कोल एक्सेट्रा. व्हाट हैपन व्हेन वी गेट द पेट्रोकेमिकल्स, इट इज इन इम्प्योर फॉर्म. Then which process we have to do on it? So purification. And when we do the purification of that petrochemicals, we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, tar, coal, grease, etc. These industries depend on the mineral oil. See, if you cannot get the mineral oil, then this industry, we cannot imagine this industry. The refineries in Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. purifying the mineral oil. Again very important that which industries or which refineries purify the mineral oil. So the refineries in Vadodara, Jamnagar, both are in Gujarat. Then Mumbai, Visakhapatnam and Chennai. So in these industries or we can say refineries, they purify the mineral oil. The dyeing and the फार्माक्यूलेटर इंडस्ट्रीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ पेट्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. डाइंग मतलब कलर होता है, कलर वर्क. ओके, तो वो इंडस्ट्रीज जो है दैट इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ पेट्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. right? Then various chemicals, soda ash, petrochemicals, etc. are produced as a part of the dyeing and pharmaceutical industry. See, soda ash जो हम लोग क्लोथ वॉशिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, देन पेट्रोकेमिकल्स जो भी है हम लोग जो हमारी कार्स होती है या बाइक्स होती है उसमें भी हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं, जो यूज़ करते हैं पेट्रोल डीजल के साथ हम लोग ऑयल यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. टुडे केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स आर यूज्ड मोर इन एग्रीकल्चर, एंड इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर सो वी आर यूजिंग द केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. फर्टिलाइजर मतलब खातर, लाइक पोटेशियम, मैग्नीशियम, लाइक दैट. अर्लियर क्या होता था कि जो एनिमल्स का वेस्टेज होता था उनसे ही एग्रीकल्चर होती थी, बट राइट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग द केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. The chemical fertilizer factories are located at Kalol, Vadodara, Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur and Durgapur. Most important question, that where are the chemical fertilizer factories are situated or located? So Kalol, Vadodara, Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur and Durgapur. Right. So these are the part of industries. I hope it is clear to you. Still you have any doubt, so you can write in comment box. I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.